Meaning of directory assistance.
Directory assistance.
Directory assistance.
Directory assistance.
Directory assistance. Directory assistance refers to a telephone service that provides information about phone numbers and addresses. In other words, when someone uses directory assistance, they are asking for help in finding a phone number or address. This service is typically accessed by dialing a specific phone number and speaking with an operator who can provide the requested information. With the increasing use of the internet and smartphones, directory assistance services have become less popular, but they still remain a useful resource for those without access to these technologies.